Movie promotion schedule fuels us today, so we need to encourage him with our come on out. Software pirate. And pretending to be Spencer Turner. Big man on campus. That make up the body of the story. They're so intricately placed. You have to do another spin, you guys. Here's a Tracy made this all to herself. She's really a tech and she's exploding, but we're not going. Ready for the next one, guys? From medical director and services more. Poor Shelby's been breathing out of the suit. She is contact isolation. Thank you, everybody. Happy Nurses and National Healthcare Everybody's Week.